Afternoon. Today is 21st of January and welcome back to Algologic. We are CB registered firm. You can see the website and you can see the registration number. You can also check our complete website and get all the details. Today the purpose of making the video is from past 2 days market is crashing very badly and everybody is interested that where and how we can make the call in a option trading, how whether we should buy a option put or we should do a options call. So confusion is always there whether it is a reversal or whether the market will bounce back. Say for example, imagine if nobody knows at what time the market will keep, nobody knows the market will fall or it's gonna go up. Nobody knows to be very precisely that the market is falling and where is the bottom and from which part this gonna get reverse up. So is there any tool or is there any method where we can find out that market is falling, how long it gonna fall, and when, at what time or what price it gonna reverse you back? So all this thing can be done by a quantitative way, and we are very happy to say that we have got lot many internal tools which can help us out in deciding that how we will make the trade towards the PE or CE side. So let's say this is my one trading system which is made by Algologic. It is an internal tool. I'll just run it for you again one more time so that it will be easy for you to understand that how technical thing it is. So I'll just run it for you. So I'll just close this is the way. So here we will select that 27th first. That means this is the current month expiry, current week expiry, which will expire on 27th of January 2026, and today is a Wednesday. That means the first day of this new week. So how we will decide that which side we will stand and which side we have to trade? It is a very simple calculation. So here we can say that at 21st, if you say like this, 9:45, system has given a clear indication that you should stand towards the PE, and the strike also it has given 25,250. So let me select 25,250 for you. So PE 25,250, and it is telling me the timing also that at around 9:45 you should buy a PE. So 9:45, I'll just say 9:39. This is 9:45. This is, you can see it is 25,250 PE and 9:45. So 9:45 if you take, it is 141, and usually the target what we keep for the intraday is 40 to 50 points, and stop loss should be imagine if it is 50 points target if you're taking, then stop loss should be 40 points. That means 10 points lesser. So imagine if you're taking 141 to 40 as 180. Let's see whether we can get one. If you can get the somewhere here itself, you can get the target. Or some people, they would like to say that I will keep on doing the trailing stop loss. That is up to you. So some people they say I would like to double the money, or whatever risk appetite you have, that you can choose. But this system is very simple, that it will tell you what strike you supposed to enter and what strike you should exit. So now imagine if this you have already booked. Now we'll say that we don't know how high it gonna go up and when we will exit, and when anybody can make a CE entry. So imagine if I see this nifty spot price, so you can see it is falling, but we don't know whether this is the end point of the fall or not. From here it gonna reverse back, nobody knows. So let's say whether this particular system of ours tells us that when I will make the entry. So at the time of 11:15, it is telling that 25, you should make the entry at 2500 CE 2500, and which is CE 2500. So let me see 11:15, 2500. Let me add this strike for you for your reference. 2500, it is here. Let me add it, and it is telling me 11. Let's check the time again. 11:15. So it is falling. It has, nobody knows, but it is here approximately here 11:15. This time it is saying you should take the entry at the call option, which also it is clearly mentioned 2500. So it is 168. 168 again, if you take the 40 points, if I'll take 170 also, if I take 170 means 40 points, is 210. So can we make 210? Of course you can make somewhere here itself. It has gone more more than 210. So this is the way where you will have some quantitative tool which will help you out, that how long you can trade and where you can make the entry and where you can make the exit. uh, in 5 minutes also, it will also have a lot of indications here, that how long you have to wait, whether we have to wait, whether we have to take the entry or not. It will tell all this process, and it will always tell you the direction, that how and when you can make the entry or exit. For example, imagine if I'll just take the same example of 2500, which I have made you to do this thing. It has clearly indicated here what price is supposed to make the entry. Like this, it has come, and you can make the judgment by yourself and do the trade. It is very easy, but it is very tough for us to make that a tool which is helpful for the traders. But these tools are not available for the clients just like that. These tools we use for an internal research purpose, and based on that thing we just give the calls to the system gives the call to the traders. It is all automated system, which is based on the quantitative method, and this way the trader can get the pre-informed and uh, uh, guided information, and they can help it can help the traders to take the profit, some desirable trades, or the concrete informative trades. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. In case if you have any query, you can always get back to Algologics. But please always remember in the mind, trading in the securities market is always a risk. You should always keep reading the documents before investing it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.